What's up, everybody? This is Jay, and welcome to another shoe review. Now, this time I'm doing something new. I know a lot of people have said that they don't like to buy shoes off eBay because you don't know if they are authentic, and there's no way to know. Well, I gave eBay a try, and they got something new where they are actually having authenticator service. And so when you buy a pair of shoes on eBay, if you're buying shoes that say guaranteed authentic, what happens is the seller has to send them straight to eBay's authentication services. They make sure that the shoes are authentic, and then they send them to you. Some people don't care if they buying shoes that's authentic or not. Some people do. If you're paying full price for some shoes and they're not authentic, that's a problem. If you're paying $50, then you get what you pay for. So anyway, these are straight from eBay. As you can see, got the eBay tape on the box. Let's bust them open. Let's make sure they are authentic, and let's see how this works. If you're interested in having me review your product or your shoes, click on the description box below. Click on the link below if you're ready to check out eBay's authentication services. I got a link in there. It'll give you a couple little deals, so check it on out. All right, now that I opened it up, let's see. It says right here, meet your soulmates. And also it says eBay authenticity guaranteed. All right, so these right here, pair of Jordans I tried to buy from Sneakers app, and I didn't win with the draw, so I had to buy them from eBay. Okay, these are the Jordan 5 Retro Low. It came with this inside, the little seal, graduation seal. These are, pretty cool shoes. I like the Jordan 5s and the Retro Low. So this is the card that comes with it. Authentic, without a doubt. And it comes with an NFC-enabled device so that you can check it out with your phone to make sure they are authentic. You can tap it, scan it, flip it up, rub it down, make sure that you're all good. These are the shoes. Okay. It's got the graduation cap material right here. It's got the little suede. It's coming with the Wings logo. And then, because these are the graduation edition, it's got the 2021 on there. All right. And then it's got the tassel on the right, to the right, on the right shoe, because now you done graduated, you done moved on. These boys is really nice. I like these. I like how they incorporated the gold Jumpman on here. It also came with gold laces if you want to freak it and switch it up. Got the clear sole with the gold Jumpman in there. On the inside, it says Jordan Wings and gold stitching. And then on this shoe, it has the date, which is class of 2020 to 2021. So these are the graduation edition 2021 Jordan Wings Low. It's got the eBay authenticity NFC enabled device. You can scan it with your phone, make sure that it is authentic and been verified from eBay. These are not bootleg. Another thing that's dope is that they got the gold diploma graduation seal inside. Official MJ graduate collection. And that's in both shoes. So, it's the little details that count. That's one of the details that I like. You got a good pair of shoes, guaranteed authentic. You got a good price on eBay. where can you go wrong? So, I'm Jay. Check it on out if you're looking to get some new sneaks on eBay. I got these. I'll be trying out some more pretty soon. I'm up out of here. I'll see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.